Brad Pitt is shutting down ex-wife Angelina Jolie's allegations that he physically assaulted her and their children during a tumultuous private jet flight in 2016. The Fight Club star's representative told CNN on Wednesday that the claims made in a new countersuit filed on October 4 are completely untrue. Jolie, 47, alleged in the court documents previously obtained by Page 6 that Pitt, 58, choked one of the children and struck another in the face, during a dispute that took place as the family was traveling from France to California. The Maleficent star also claimed in the lawsuit that her then-husband grabbed her by the head and shook her. The FBI investigated Pitt for alleged child abuse in 2016. Brad Pitt's representative said Angelina Jolie's allegations in a new countersuit are completely untrue. Wire image Jolie gave the federal authorities photos of the bruises she claimed she got as a result of the Fury star's alleged attack. Images appeared to show injuries on the Salt star's hand, back and elbow. However, authorities concluded that there was no need to pursue criminal charges against Pitt due to several factors, according to court records obtained by Page 6. Jolie argued in the new countersuit, however, that the FBI agent who investigated the allegations had probable cause to charge Pitt with a federal crime for his conduct that day. Jolie has repeatedly insisted that Pitt assaulted her and their kids on a plane ride in 2016. TheImageDirect.com. Meanwhile, Pitt has attempted to turn his life around by getting sober in 2019. Sources close to the Once Upon a Time in Hollywood star told TMZ on Wednesday that Jolie's rehashed allegations are an attempt to alienate her 6 kids from their father. The former couple, who wed in August 2014, share Maddox, 21, Pax, 18, Zahara, 17, Shiloh, 16, Vivian, 14, and Knox, 14. The insiders also told the outlet that Jolie recounted the abuse allegations in great detail in her countersuit, even though it has zero to do with the actual suit. The filing was made in response to a separate lawsuit Pitt filed against Jolie months earlier over the sale of her stake in their French chateau. The Tomb Raider star claimed in the documents that Pitt tried to get her to sign a non-disclosure agreement to silence her over the alleged physical and emotional abuse of her and their children. As a condition for an agreement they had about the sale of Chateau Miraval and its profitable vineyard. But she declined. Sources told TMZ that Jolie has allegedly poisoned their children against their dad and, as a result, he has little to no relationship with them. Reps for Jolie and Pitt did not immediately return Page 6's request for comment. Filed under Angelina Jolie, assaults. Source close to Pitt denied the allegations. She continues to rehash, revise and reimagine her description of an event that happened 6 years ago by adding completely untrue information each time she fails to get what she wants, the source said. Her story is constantly evolving. She had the opportunity to share information with law enforcement who made the decision not to press charges following their investigation, the source said. She had the chance to share this during the lengthy custody trial, which resulted in the judge granting 50-50 custody to Pitt following in-depth observations and analysis by doctors, therapists and other experts. Her and her team go back to the same thing month after month with new and false information. According to the court filing, Jolie filed for divorce 5 days later on September 19, 2016. Jolie's lawyers state that she did offer to sell her interest in Miraval to Pitt, but in exchange for his purchase, Pitt demanded she sign a non-disclosure agreement that would have contractually prohibited her from speaking outside of court about Pitt's physical and emotional abuse of her and their children. According to the cross-complaint, when Jolie refused to agree to the non-disclosure agreement, Pitt walked away from the deal, according to the cross-complaint. In June 2020, Jolie began negotiating with Pitt on a potential sale of her interest in the winery, but when Jolie submitted a sealed document with the title, Offer of Proof and Authority re-testimony regarding domestic violence, during the couple's child custody case the following year, Pitt's team notified Jolies that he would be stepping back from the Miraval deal, according to Jolie's cross-complaint.